Welcome back to One Good Thing. Ow. Okay, I'm totally in my shower, but the reason is I learned this new hack that allows you to double the storage in your bathroom in a really cool way. I'm going to run right out and share it with you. So we've seen some really cool ways you can use tension rods to organize your kitchen cabinets. And I particularly like the one under the sink where you use the tension rods to hang your cleaning supplies. But this one gives you extra storage space in your shower. And all you need is a Big Daddy tension rod and some S-hooks. Let me show you. With S-hooks, you have so many options for what you can store on the rod and how you want to store it. You can make endless configurations. I'm using some nice caddies I got from the Container Store, but you could get really creative here. And for those of you that cannot have an over-the-shower caddy, or it isn't quite enough storage space, this is an excellent and affordable hack. That is it. Let me know if you try this hack, or if you've got others to share, just put them in the comments below, and I'll see you next week.